with another video. I'm so excited for today because it is officially, honestly, I don't know if it's officially, but it's almost fall. So I do have some fall leaves in the back, you know, falling, setting the mood, especially because this will be the unboxing of my FabFitFun fall box. So I'm pretty excited. I didn't get to film my BoxyCharm because my box got lost, and anyway, I ended up getting it like 2 days ago, and it's already September, so nobody's really interested in seeing it. But I am wearing some of the things that came in the box, and I'm just gonna show y'all real quick like what I received in my box. Mascara sucks, first impression, super dry. Like, I bought the Maybelline with Shayla collection mascara. It's so much better than this. This one is new and it sucks. These two eyeshadows, like, they're pretty, I guess. I didn't even swatch them, but I'm just gonna give them away. I'm also gonna give this away because I'm oily and I don't need any more like shininess to my face, honestly. And this was the coolest product that we received in the box. It's the Becca, what's it called, Hydra Mist Scent and Refresh powder. I'm not gonna lie, this was pretty cool. Like, it did feel like, a lot of people were saying it felt like water, but some people were like, oh my god, it feels like straight water. Like, yes, it does, but it's just refreshing, you know what I mean? Like, some people were just like you know, exaggerating a little bit, but I really like this. It set my makeup pretty good. I received the Steve Laurent lip pencil in Chic. Honestly, it was dry, and I was just expecting this from these pencils. The fill-ins that BoxyCharm puts in their boxes are normally crap. I feel like they just ran out of ideas of what else to put in the box as like the 4th or 5th item, and they just put these like cheap like pencils. Like, I'm just gonna be honest. Okay, so what y'all really came here to see is the FabFitFun. Let me go ahead and get my box. I did peep into it. I also want to put a disclaimer out there that I am I believe it's called an annual member. I believe it's called. So I do pay in advance for a year, and this is my first year doing it. Just because I thought I would be getting a better deal out of it. So I was able to customize 5 products instead of 3. So yeah, I already like peeked into it a little bit, but I haven't actually like opened any of the. I do want to wear one of the things that come in the box today, so that's why I'm also like trying to do this unboxing today. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started with the box. This is what the inside looks like. Comes with the HelloFresh coupon. I tried them. They suck. They are not, they're not very like helpful, honestly. Like, if you work, you still have to come home and chop everything off. So honestly, I don't recommend it. $15 off for you or a friend, I believe. Maybe for a friend. I don't know. And then it comes with a magazine with Meghan Trainor, and I believe they collaboration with her charity, which is called City of Hope, which is pretty cool. I honestly haven't read what they're into, but all right, first item that came in the box, I was going to pick this one, the teeth whitener, and I was actually pretty excited. And then like later on throughout the weeks, they sent out an email saying they weren't gonna have it anymore, and which was I was pretty disappointed about, because that was about the only thing that was like I was really excited about. So I had to go for my second option, which is the Amika hair straightener, which I don't mind. Really nice bag, and I believe it's coral. Let's see, how much does this retail for? It retails for $80 supposedly. Now, back in the day, I did buy an Amika hair straightener from the people that stand in the middle of the mall, and I did not like it. Did not get hot at all, but that was like more than 10 years ago. So I really hope it has changed. Oh, it's like really nice quality. It's like very sturdy. Has very nice patterns here. So I'm excited to use this. I almost dropped it. Alright guys, second item that I chose was the Kate Spade lunch tote. And as soon as I saw Kate Spade, I was like, I'm choosing that. I don't care what it is. I love Kate Spade. cute. I might actually use it like as a makeup bag or something, but it does say out to lunch, which I think it's pretty cute. But I mean, like I said, and it's like kind of like a leather material. Like I thought it was gonna be kind of like, you know, like the little, oh, and it's insulated too, which is pretty good. Yeah, I think I will honestly like use this for makeup or something. I work 12-hour shifts, so I don't think all the food that I pack is gonna fit in here, to be honest. But it might just, I don't know. I don't think so though, because I pack a lot. So really cute. And the Kate Spade Lunch Toad retails for $30. What I chose are these Bubble Bar ear crawler earrings, which I was super excited about because I've heard of Bubble Bar for a long time now. Pretty excited that I get to wear these, and these are actually the item that I want to wear out right now. And these retail for $34. So.
One eternity later.
The earrings are put on now. They were kind of a pain in the butt to put on. What you want to do is grab the front part and the back part and just kind of like tug your ear like in between those, you know, obviously, so it can like, you know, go up your ear, and they can be kind of like hugging your ear. That's what it wants it to do. It was just that the tricky part was just the earrings doing that. But what I chose is the Aromatherapy Deep Relax Roller Ball, and this retails for $29. I haven't smelled it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and smell it right now. None of the other options that came in the box looked really intriguing, so that's why I chose this. Oh, that's really strong. It smells like lavender. It smells like lavender, but like it's really strong. So it has chamomile and sandalwood. And so that kind of like, it smells very like, you know, essential oils, but it's okay. We'll see what it does. Honestly, I went to TJ Maxx the other day and I saw one of these on clearance for $3. I don't know if it was the exact same brand, but it was right after I made my decisions for what items I wanted in the box. And I was kind of like, dude. Next item that I chose is this Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. It's a gel that I think like stimulates like you into working out, or let's see what it says. Workout, apply to troubled areas like the abs, glutes, thighs, arms in small circular motions and let the tingling begin. Okay, what does it do? It's green tea, ginseng, and menthol to boost your workouts by targeting problem areas while keeping you visibly smooth and toned. Okay, it still doesn't really tell me what it does, but let's see. This retails for $45. It's a pretty good size. It's 5 fluid ounces, and I got this because none of the other options looked very promising, and since I am trying to, you know, run a little bit more, I thought this would be useful. Let's see, I believe some of the other samples were a salt shaker. I was like, what the heck? Like, I can get this at TJ Maxx for $5, first of all. Some mask, the Tresique, which I don't really like that brand. And this other like vitamin C powder that you can put in your moisturizer, which I thought was pretty cool, but I was like, no, let me use this instead. And then a head wrap. Like, girl, I've seen these head wraps at TJ Maxx for $30. Don't try to play me and put it in this box that cost me $50, okay? Like, I feel like these people, like, do y'all get this stuff like at TJ Maxx? Like, I can just go and get it myself, you know what I mean? Anyway, that we received is these Juice Cleanse exfoliating sugar cubes, which I have never used in my life, but they look so cute. They smell amazing. They smell like lime and pear. These smell so good. Like, I kind of just like, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, I want to eat one. No. Okay, and then this retails for $16. To be honest, you guys, like, I'm probably not gonna use this, but this is why I like receiving these boxes, because it helps me find gifts for friends or families that might actually use them useful. And Yeah, I might just give this away. I'm not going to use it, I already know, but I'm glad they put these in here, even though I kind of feel like it's kind of like a cheap item to put in, you know what I mean? This product is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair cream that you use. It's a daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. Oh, okay, that's cool. So I might want to like do this before I straighten my hair. Okay, that's cool. And I know Aveda is like a school here in Austin, so that's pretty cool because I'm sure they have like really good hair products. And this retails for $30. Let me go ahead and smell it. It's clean. I'm actually gonna put some in my hair right now. I just scrunched it, but you know, it's cool to like receive these things because I honestly don't have anything to protect my hair from the heat. So this is cool that we received this. And like I said, I know Aveda's like a good school. The last product that we received is this lotion. It's by Human & Kind. It's a body souffle, so it's kind of more like a cream for the body. I'm tired of getting freaking lotions in these boxes. Like, how many lotions do you have to put in here? You know what I mean? Like, I felt... Okay, first let me tell you how much this retails for. So this retails for $18. Let me go ahead and smell it before I start ranting again. Oh, there's actually like a little thing here, and I was actually planning to give this away, but it's all natural, it's vegan and cruelty free. Like, I'm gonna eat it or something, I don't know. Here's my thing: you pay $50 every 3 months for these boxes, you know, according to, you know, the season of the year. So it was fall. So tell me how any of these things like are fall. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I want candles. Like, give me like pumpkin spice, give me maple stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm kind of disappointed with this box. Honestly, the only things that I'm pretty excited about are definitely these earrings, the hair straightener, and the lunchbox. Like, that's about it. And would these three things make up $50? Yeah, they probably would, but I would spend those $50 in my own ways, if that makes sense. So I'm not mad at it. Like I said, like, they do send things that if I may not like, my friends or family members might like them. But honestly, I am quite disappointed, especially because they didn't have the teeth whitening product that I was actually really excited to get. Anyways, sorry guys for ranting so much in this video. I'm just kind of disappointed with this box. So that was my box for the fall of 2019. I hope you guys like the boxes. I will leave my link down below if you guys would like to get the FabFitFun box with my link. If not, that's totally fine. You know, girl, I don't blame you. You know, there's some other boxes good out there, but I really do hope the winter box is way better because I already have that one paid. So yeah, that was my FabFitFun unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.